Good morning, YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful Saturday morning in mid-July. Not too hot yet. Bike temperature says 77 degrees. Today we're going to go for a short ride out to Lake Arlington. I'll show you around a little bit. First, we'll have today's Bible verse. Today's verse is out of Proverbs 27:17. Iron sharpens iron, so one man sharpens another. This speaks to how the people we associate with influence us. Shout out to my friend Roadglide. This is one of his favorite verses. Roadglide is a YouTube commenter extraordinaire. He supports many different channels and is a frequent commenter. I appreciate him, happy to have him as a friend. Well, I'll talk a little bit today about my newest accessory for my bike. I now have a Utopia backrest. I'll show you all some pictures of it. Been real happy with it. Got this from my friend Robert White. You should check out his two channels, Robert White Moto and Robert White Photography. In any case, Robert recently got a new ultimate seat for his bike, which comes with its own backrest, so he was kind enough to sell me his Utopia backrest that he'd previously added to his stock seat. I installed it myself shortly after I got it. It's a fairly simple installation. You have to take the seat off, remove the plug from the seat, then install the Utopia backrest. Robert White has an excellent installation video on his channel if you're interested in seeing that further. I didn't see any reason to shoot an installation video myself since Robert already has one up, and I think it's excellent. Alright, I've been real happy with the Utopia backrest. It's adjustable in two directions. You can adjust it up and down, and you can also adjust it forward and backward to get it just at the right position for where you want it. I feel like it makes me feel more connected to the bike and allows me to have better control also. Real nice to have the backrest, especially on longer trips. Alright, we're currently on Pleasant Ridge Drive, and we're headed west. Going to go out to Lake Arlington. It's about 7 or 8 miles from here, not very far away. Okay, I'll get you turned around here and you can see where you're going. If you haven't seen it yet, you need to check out my friend F6B Adventures. Currently on a long multi-day trip winding around through the Southwest. This last video was from California, Sequoia National Park, with the giant redwoods there. Check it out. Coming up to Martin High School here on the right. One of several high schools here in Arlington. What do y'all think about backrests for your bike? Do y'all have one? If you do, what kind do you have? What do you prefer? I looked at several different ones. The things I like about the Utopia backrest are that it can fold down forward, and with it in that position I can actually mount the bike from the left-hand side and just throw my leg over the backrest and get on that way. Okay, then here's a closer look at the backrest. That is with it in the up position. It can fold down forward, even a little bit more like that. It adjusts up and down with these screws right here. And this bolt, you can adjust the forward and backward position on it. Again, I've really been enjoying this. Again, thank you, Robert, for selling this to me. Haven't ridden two up with this backrest yet. My wife rides occasionally with me. She's not a fan of the hot weather. She says she'll ride more with me maybe starting in October when it cools down a little bit. Between now and then we're going to have highs here in the 90s and 100s in north central Texas. Last time I was out this way, they had quite a bit of road construction going on. We'll see if it's gotten any better here. A pontoon boat. Yes, looks like they finally got this road finished. They put a roundabout here. Arlington's gotten rather fond of roundabouts in new road construction. See if I can pick the right road here. Looks like maybe we go this way. There I see the lake in the distance. Coming out here to Bowman Springs Park. A lot of nice houses out here by the lake. warning, boat ramp ahead. I guess I'd better not drive off of it then. Nice little park here. Boat ramp. Come out here, public boat ramp. You can come out here and launch your boat. I think Lake Arlington does require a permit for your boat, though. Boat out there, either coming in or out. All right, let's turn around, find a place to park, and we'll walk around just a little bit. See if I can find a spot maybe with a little bit of shade in it. Nope, those are handicapped spots. Let's come over here and see how close to the porta potty I want to park. I believe that is a spot. Let's take it. All right, let's go for a walk on the pier out here then. This is Lake Arlington. Lake Arlington, the dam was built in 1956. It was started in 1956 and completed in 1957. So the lake's been around for a while. Has a surface area of 2,275 acres. The dam is out that way to the north end of the lake. All right, let's walk over this way for a moment. Steps go right down to the water's edge here. Back to some of the homes that back up onto the lake there. See a duck out there. All right, so that's a quick view out here to Lake Arlington, as well as a little bit of discussion of my newest accessory, the Utopia backrest. Appreciate y'all watching. Ride safely, my friends.